my beautiful viewers, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And I have been wanting to do this giveaway really badly, like since a long time, and I was just waiting for my subscribers to, my subscriber count to cross 25k. They have crossed 26k now. I'm a little late because I was a little busy, as you guys know, if you follow me on my vlog channel and stuff, then I was busy in November and December a lot because of some bookings, and yeah, there were stuff going on. So I am here for the giveaway. I'm so grateful to all of you guys who are subscribed to me and who love me and who show their support to me. I am so grateful to you. When I started this channel for fun, literally for fun. I used to watch Michelle Fan a lot back then. Like I am on YouTube since around 6 years, and I know I haven't grown a lot because my co-YouTubers, because the people who started with me, they have achieved great achievements, but I am not like even close to them. So anyways, but still I'm super happy that I am at least growing. I'm still growing, and I'm grateful to you guys. I still remember my first video on YouTube. I did it for fun, and I just recorded it and I edited in my Windows Movie Maker, and I uploaded it for fun. And surprisingly, at that time, Mr. Jovita George commented on my video. Even she was on the growing stage that time. She commented on my video, and I felt so good. All the feedbacks were positive. So yeah, so that's how I started my journey, and now I am above 25k. Yay! I'm super happy, and I still want to grow more, but it all because of you. So that's why I want to, give you something like, yeah. So here I have a giveaway for you. It's a small giveaway. I won't say like it's a very huge giveaway, but there are a few things I really want to give it one of you. For the rules for the giveaway, I don't have much rules. You just have to be my subscriber, and you have to just comment in the comment section, and I think that's it. And if you are my really hardcore supporter, you love watching me, then also you can subscribe my vlog channel. I'll be linking that in the description box. Yeah, that's it for the rules. Nothing big or nothing complicated. Anyway, so let me just show you the prices which I want to give one of you. So the very first thing you can win in this giveaway is a blush by Physicians Formula. It is called Nude Wear, and it's pretty blush. And let me tell you that there will be just one winner. I will be giving all this stuff to just one person. So yeah, so the second prize you'll be winning is the set of hand creams. There are two hand creams. One is peppermint rosemary, the other one is jasmine lavender. So winters are here, and hand creams are essential. So this is the hand cream. The next thing you can win is this kit by Colourpop. This is called Can You Not. This is a fall lippy bundle, and you have 3 of their ultra matte lip. You guys know that I love their liquid lipsticks. So one is ultra matte lip, one is ultra glossy lip, one is ultra satin lip. So you have 3 different texture in this kit. So yeah, this is the prize. And then I have the last prize for you guys. This is by Sugars. It's their eyeshadow quad, and the eyeshadow quad I'm giving away is Disturbia. And this is not the one which I got in my fab bag. That was broken. This one is completely new, and it is as new. Let me just show you. Yeah, you can see it's completely fine. And yeah, so this is the eyeshadow quad by Sugar. So those are the 4 goodies you can win in not even 4, I would say those are 7 goodies in total. 2 are the hand creams and 3 are the lip shades. You can win all these goodies, so without wasting any time, just enter this giveaway and show me your love and spread the word. Ask your friends and family to, you know, follow me, subscribe me. I really want to grow more. And I'll wrap up this video here only. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and good luck.